Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. Today in this guide, I'll show you how can you disable OneDrive. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first thing, what you want to do is in the desktop homepage, you want to come to the bottom right hand side corner and go to this hidden show icon, hidden icons. When you click on it, you'll be able to find the OneDrive option. Or if you're unable to find it, so what you could do is open up your search bar and you want to type in OneDrive. And when you open it up, what next you want to do is you just want to go ahead and right click on the mouse, or you could just go to settings, and then you could simply go ahead and unlink from your device. So once you actually unlink it, what next you want to do is close this tab, and then you want to open up a search box once again, and then go to settings. When you go to settings, you want to go to apps, and then you want to go ahead and click on app installed or installed app. You open this up, what next you want to do is on the search box you want to type in OneDrive. When you locate it, so you want to right click on the mouse or tap on the three dot icon and uninstall it. So after you've done it, so you'll be able to unlink, or you'll be able to disable your OneDrive account, OneDrive application. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.